Every day, you wake up, commute, work, eat, sleep, repeat. Another week gone, another month wasted. You feel stuck, like life is just slipping through your fingers. And every time you try to break free, reality slaps you in the face. I need money to survive. I don't have time to build something else. I don't even know where to start. So, how do you actually escape? Let's break it down. Step 1. Understand what the matrix really is. The 9 to 5 isn't just a job. It's a system designed to keep you dependent. You trade time for money, and that money barely buys back your freedom.
I'm sorry, the card has been declined.
Schools teach obedience, not independence. Society rewards safety, not creativity. If you don't wake up to this, you'll keep playing by rules that weren't made for you.
We're doomed.
And the scariest part, the longer you stay, the harder it is to leave. Your expenses rise to match your paycheck. Your time disappears into work, commutes, and exhaustion. One day, you wake up and realize years have passed and you're in the exact same place. Step 2. Redefine work. Most people think that escaping the 9 to 5 means quitting their job and starting a business. But the truth is, freedom isn't about what you do. It's about how you do it. If you work for someone else, become indispensable. Negotiate remote work. Build leverage. If you start a business, don't create another job for yourself. Build systems that make money without you. If you invest, don't gamble. Think long-term, stack small wins. And let compounding do the heavy lifting.
You got all of that good cash from this sharing economy?
That's right.
Escaping the matrix doesn't mean avoiding work. It means changing your relationship with it. Step 3. Build skills that print money. Money follows value. Value comes from skills. The more rare and useful your skills, the more control you have. You don't need $1 million idea. You need a high-income skill that lets you charge for results, not hours. Writing, coding, marketing, sales, design. Pick one, master it. And suddenly, options open up. Most people fail because they stay in learning mode forever. They take courses, watch videos, but never apply. The fastest way to learn is to get paid while you do it. Offer your skills for free if needed, but get real-world experience as soon as possible. Step 4. Shift your identity. The biggest reason people stay stuck? They still see themselves as employees. Escape starts in your mind. If you see yourself as someone who earns based on results, not time, you'll naturally make different choices. Your actions follow your identity. If you see yourself as someone who is building something, you'll make time. You'll stay consistent. The people who escape are the ones who decide, this is who I am now. Step 5. Execute relentlessly. Most people fail because they dabble. They try something for a few weeks, get bored, and move on. But the ones who escape, they commit. They build their escape route before they need it. They show up daily, knowing every small action compounds over time. This isn't about getting rich quick. It's about designing a life where your time belongs to you. The process is slow at first, but the moment you make your first dollar outside the system, the moment you realize you can create money from nothing, everything changes. And then you never look at work the same way again. If you're waiting for permission, this is it. Start now. Adjust as you go. But whatever you do, don't stay stuck.